This type of transition hose is flammable, so we're going to swap it out for some hard rigid pipe. We're going to run a straight pipe up from here, up to an elbow, and then over to another elbow here. Let's get to work. We'll be using these metal standoff brackets to help hold our pipe in place. And obviously we're going to be using metal strapping. Our dry fit looks good. Let's tape it up. We'll be using Dryer Flex as a transition hose from the pipe to the dryer. It's UL listed, fire rated, and very easy to use. I use this on practically all of my installs. The best part is it never gets crushed, so you're never impeding airflow. You want your airflow to be 1,500 feet per minute or more. 1831, not bad. For all things dryer vent, call MN Dryer Vent 651-350-4201.